Okay, so now once we have done that, we put this housing back. So we're gonna slide this in like so. Put the motor back in place just like that. Oh, actually, before we do that, we're gonna have to slide this through this hole just like this. Slide it up and put it back in its place. Okay, push it up all the way till you hear it snap. Okay, so that's that. Now you can put that motor back in its place and put these screws back in. I've put these screws back in place. We have 2 more screws here. I'm gonna put that in. Okay, we got these 2 bottom screws in. Now we have another screw here. I'm gonna put in through this hole here. There it is. So once we get all these screws back in, 2 here, 2 on the bottom, and 1 on this side from this opening here. Now we're gonna put these wires back in. Put this wire assembly back in place. Just like that. I'm gonna plug this in. Plug this in, push it down all the way. Okay, we're gonna plug this on in. Okay, now this one goes here. It hooks here. Okay, I'm gonna turn it over. I'm gonna put these back in. White one left side. Snap it in place. It doesn't reach. Okay. I have to take it out because it needs to go here. And snap it in place. Same thing. Snap this in place. Okay. Wires are ready. Now this goes here. This is gonna stick out like this. Now we're gonna twist this and we're gonna start assembling this. So this is gonna snap in place. This motor this part is gonna slide right into the housing just like that, and then this will snap in place with this hook here. So once this is in place, actually before we do that, we get it out, get this camera wire, the camera back in place, slide it in through here. Needs to go here. I'm gonna hook this up. Put it in its place. Snap it in place. It's gonna go in that groove there. And then we're gonna put this housing, snap it in place. Okay, so there it is. So this is ready to go. We have one more screw here to secure this whole thing to the housing.
Great.
So once you get that screw in, now we can pull these wires back out. Turn it over. Pull it out. Not the small one, but the big bundle. Okay, we're gonna line this up and put these big screws back in to secure the base to the mirror. Now, okay, this is how it goes. Line up the screw holes. Put these big screws in. We can put this back in place. Snap it in. And then snap this in place. Just like that. Now, I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to install this light. Actually, we're going to install this camera housing. Secure the camera in place. 2 black short screws. Okay. Then we're gonna install this light bulb, turn signal light, plug in the wires, put this in its place. There's only one way it'll go. So before you secure the camera, you need to secure this light in place because there's a screw here that goes here. So I'm gonna put the screw here, here, and here. These 3 places. Okay, we're gonna do a correction here. The black screws that we put in here for the camera, we need to put these silver screws. The black screws go here on the outside, not the inside. So we're gonna do that and come back. Okay, we put in the correct screws here for the camera, the silver screws. And then we put the turn signal light in. We put 1, 2, 3 screws, secured that. I'm gonna turn it over, put that screw in there before we put the camera. Now we got that in place. Now we're gonna turn the camera housing, snap it in place. Make sure it goes in right. And there's 1 screw here. Okay, once you got that in there, I'm gonna turn it over. Now this is where we put in the black screws. These in the corner here. So almost done. So now we're gonna put the mirror back in place. So we're gonna see it has 2 hooks here. This is the top of the mirror basically. I'm gonna put these hooks first, hook them in place. Oh, don't forget the wires now. Now the green wire is gonna go on the left side. How's it? Okay, so we're gonna hook. Now don't forget, now this folding, this up and down folding a piece, it needs to be down here, not up like that. It needs to be folded down on this side. So you're gonna put those hooks in that place where it goes in like that. Put them in place. Now once you got that in place, you're gonna push it down or lift it up from this side. Okay, just like that. Okay, we're gonna have to push it back. It didn't work. Okay, try it again. Okay, we're just gonna set this mirror down. We're gonna gently push it evenly on all sides so it doesn't break. It's just gonna snap in place. Okay, there it is. So it's nice and secure. Now the last piece, the cover. All you have to do is put it in place and snap it on. There it is. And the only thing that's left is removing these protective tapes, and that's it. Hope you like this video. As I mentioned in my other video, if you need to know how to remove the door panel in order to remove the mirror, watch my other video. I show you how to remove the door panel for that Infiniti. So that's it, guys. Hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.